Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to change TikTok username without waiting for 30 days. First of all, open your settings on your phone. Then you can find this addition option in here. So tap on it. Next, tap on this data and time option in here. Now you need to advance your month by another month. Then click on the OK button. So now you need to go back to your TikTok app. Next, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then click on the edit profile option in here. Now click on the username icon and change your username easily. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.